Hello, so in this video we are going to create a flyer, and before you can create a flyer you need to remove background. Okay, so how do you do that? We use this website called background remover. All right, the name of the website is called background. Just remove background remover. Okay, so when you click on the background remover it will take you here, then you see remove backgrounds, so you just click on it. All right, so we have it here. Okay, so give it some time. All right, so now you can see upload image. So click on this blue button here, upload image. Then you now look for the image you want to upload. Okay, so this you just go to browse. Okay, you go to browse, then go to our images in WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp images. Go and look for the image you want to remove the background. So in our case, we are using this image. Okay, so let's remove the background. Let's give it some time. Okay, it's removing. So the background is removed. So click on download. You can see the free version. Okay, click on free. Okay, so it has done. So I've downloaded it earlier on. So they're asking me, do you want to download it again? Okay, just to show you how I did it. That's why I'm doing it over again. So just click on download again. Okay, so it is downloaded. So let's look for the second image. Let's look for the second image. You can choose to delete this one. Then you now bring in the second image. Alright, so on our app, we'll now bring in our background. Okay, so let's look for the background and bring it. So let's go to from gallery. So let's go to from gallery. Let's go and look for our background that we are using. Let's choose this background here. Alright, so this is our background. We don't need this text, so let's delete it. We don't need this text, so let's delete it. Alright, so what's next? We'll look for okay, so this is our background. This is our background. The background we are using. So let's bring in our let's import our characters that we are using. Okay, so come to import. Alright, so this is the first one. So this is our first character. Let's bring in the second one. The second one. This is our second character. Okay. So let's position this one well. Please let's do some effect at the back here. Okay, so let's bring in a shape. Let's bring in a circle. Okay, so let's put in a circle here. This is our circle. Let's change the color. Let's change the color to the background color. Let's pick this color here. Okay, let's use color picker to pick this one. Okay, not bad. Okay, so this is our this thing. So let's copy this one. Let's copy the circle. Let's position it in here. Let's give it a different color. Alright, something like this is not bad. Now let's bring our characters forward. Characters to the front. And this one to the front. We are just doing a very simple flyer. Let's enlarge them small. Let's make it a little bigger. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, this should be in front here. Okay. Alright, so from here, what do we do next? Let's blur it down. It's just so. Let's go back to the draw. Pencil size, smoothness, radius, Now put in your dots here. All right. Okay, so now we are going to expand this bigger and bigger and use it to blend it down here. Okay, let's use it to blend it down here. Let's change the color to this fire effect here. Okay, so let's go and change the background color. See, so let's use color picker to pick this one of these colors to make it some fire eyes. Okay, this one is not bad. Okay, so that's it. Um, well, I think let me put some fire something up over their head. Okay, so let me bring in one more image. Let me bring in one more. Yes. All right. So let's bring in one more image. I have one image here that I would like to use this. Here, let me get rid of the color. I have to get rid of the color using the erase color. Okay, so let's erase this color here. The black color. We're erasing the black color from it. Let's erase the black color. Ah, it's copied, right? Okay, so let's delete this one. It's two, so let's delete this one and keep this one. Okay, let's keep this one. Okay, and this, let's copy it and make it two for this one too. So let's send it to back. Okay, let's send it to the back of the head, to the back. Okay, all right. So yes, let's that to front. Okay, so all right. So this is the image. So we are coming to write our text here. We are going to write our text on this one like this. Okay. So let's copy it. Let's just copy this thing and let's just copy it and make it two so that the other one can come to this side. Let me use the let me look for the font. Let me use I just added one font here. Let me use it to my font. Yes. Okay. Let me import in one simple image here. Add it to this to make it um, a little nicer. Okay, so let me use this image. Let, let's pick up the black color. Alright, so let's position this. Let's put it somewhere here small. Alright, fresh fire. So let's position it a little to the down. Okay, good. So now this let's write in our text now. The guest. So we have the guest to be brother. You put the name here. So our host Kwabena, yes, Kwabena. Okay, so Aduku. Alright, so let's change the font. Okay, so let's give it to background here. Let's give it a background to make it stand out. Okay, even these ones all we should give them backgrounds so that it can easily be read. So that you can easily read the date. Okay, so this is our yes, so that is basically how to okay. Like I said, it's just a simple flyer. Okay. So what is this? So let's write a venue. Venue for the program. So copy this. So let's change this font. Date. The date is the date is time. So our time is the time is 12 1:30 a.m. Okay, so for more 059. No, let's change the font style and position all these things for it to be to all get space to stay. Alright, so we are going to position all these things for it to get space and stay. Let's use our alignments checker, line checker. Okay, so let's first check this angle and make sure that everything is in line. Let's position it. You have to go position. Okay, so um okay, so the positioning should be there should be more space. Okay, provided the date is being provided. So we're good to go. We're good to save this. All right. Okay. All right. So our flyer is done. This is it. Okay. All right. So let's try. Let's try to see if we can change this. Um. Well, there's no nice. Oh boy. Can I try this? This is too large. Oh, yeah, it's not bad though. God's servant siege. Let me try this one too and see. It's absolutely not bad. It's not bad. Look at that. It's not bad. This is not bad. Evangelist. Oh yes, it's not bad. This font is quite okay. So let me save it and see.